We say Happy New Year.
Hi.
Hey, Dr. Lindsey here with Wendy and Angie. Raise your hand, Angie.
Angie.
My name is Angie.
And Tatiana.
Tatiana.
Okay.
And I'm Wendy.
You are? And I've worked on you guys a couple of times. And Wendy, why don't you start talking?
So you worked on Tatiana
First. Correct.
And then
Twice. Because Tatiana had gone and had a bunch of stuff and we had to fix some scars.
Yes, Tatiana's been twice and Angie's been one time.
Okay. And that was feminizing a hairline.
Yes.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
And both cases were stripped. Tatiana has the advantage of thick, wiry, coarse hair that cannot be killed.
Angie
And
has
Tatiana has pretty good hair, but not as thick as Angie's hair.
So who's it? Angie?
Angie has good hair. Tatiana has wiry,
really
bushy.
good hair. Yeah.
They're like my sleeve here. Okay.
Así de grande.
How much pain did it have?
Dolor. No.
Nothing.
Okay. How about you, Tatiana?
No,
No,
nothing.
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 And was I upfront with you? Any nonsense?
¿Alguna fue muy correcto
Off to the
enfrente
camera.
con ustedes?
Nothing like that. Everything that's perfect.
Perfect.
I recommend the doctor because it's super, super sweet.
Okay.
Oh, sweet.
Yes.
And no judgment issues or anything like that. We're cool with every patient, right?
Yeah, they know. We like you.
Let's have it said. Can you say that?
So,
Yeah, dice, no, ¿cómo se llama? No hay juzgar, no hay nada de eso. La diferencia, digamos, ustedes, mira, fueron tratados como,
tratadas como chicas, super nice.
so they
That's
said that they were
perfect.
treated like girls.
Yes.
Very, very nice.
And the whole thing is I want to do a job that I'm going to be proud of, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
And I hope to make you happy, but I'm mainly trying to make me happy, right?
I'm super happy, but I need another one more surgery.
Tatiana has
okay?
hair greed.
Yeah, just a little bit, not too
So
much.
this
Just
is
a
what
little
happened.
bit perfect. Just,
Okay, so hold on, let's start. So now the picture you see up between us is Tatiana before and Tatiana now underneath, and now Tatiana's current picture up to the other side. That's a big change, right, Tatiana?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now we'll go to Angie's before and Angie's after and Angie now. Big change, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Angie's like, how many months?
We did March 4th, so
7,
10 months.
10 months.
We did it on a
yes,
Saturday.
yes,
Remember you
yes.
came in and I drew your hairline
He
and you
remembers
washed
that.
it off at the gym.
Mhm.
And I was all pissed off, remember? That's the
Yeah.
only...
So
Ten.
Tatiana's Angie's hairline, and now she wants a little bit of a little widow's
We'll talk
peak
about
there.
A little bit.
Anything else we need to talk about?
No, they're just happy, and
Okay.
you know,
And
and I
we,
said,
I would guess that we do 4 or 6 people like you guys per year, right? Don't you think that's a reasonable
Yeah.
guess?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the trouble we have with everybody is getting people to come back for long-term follow-up. So I'm super appreciative for
Thank
you,
you for coming
Tatiana.
back.
You've been here a bunch of times, and we've done a couple of videos. And I really appreciate you coming back too. Angie.
yeah, Angie came from Spain.
Oh, fantastic! Even
Yeah.
better. Anything else we should talk about?
No,
hairlines.
everything that's fine.
I mean, Angie drew her hairline the way that she wanted to.
Yeah, in general, I do Wendy's hairline. That's my go-to hairline for women, and that's what I drew. And then you changed it a little bit the day before.
Yeah.
And then, of course, you went to the gym and washed it off, and we had to do it again the next morning. But
Still
it's a
have-
reasonable hairline, right? It's
Yes, it looks. Yeah, it's not super low. It's like this. I like it.
just like I just want an unremarkable-looking hairline. All right, can you
Yeah.
translate
Yeah.
unremarkable?
They understand that.
All right. Well,
Okay.
we like working on everybody that follows directions, and we try to do our best job on everybody, and we want to get an unremarkable, not an obvious result of a hair transplant. If we can help you, give us a call. Thank you.
Thank you.